They always say, I'm the ideal Filipina. Tahimik, mahinhin, magalang. Maganda si Maria Clara, mabait si Maria Clara, masunurin si Maria Clara. But do they even know me? Lahat ng kilos ko dapat maayos. Bawal magtaas ng boses. Bawal sumagot. Bawal magkamali. Sabi nga nila, you're a reflection of your family. Don't ruin the name. Pero, paano kung ako mismo ay unti-unti na nawawala sa pangalan na yan? I fell in love once with someone who made me feel seen. Not as Maria Clara the daughter, not Maria Clara the legacy, but Maria Clara the girl. The one who reads poems in secrets, who dreams of seeing the world without bodyguard, without judgment, and without fear. Pero dahil babae ako, at dahil hindi siya aprobado, kinuha nila lahat, at iniwan nila ako sa loob ng bahay na punong-puno ng tahimik na sigaw. Do you even know what it's like to be praised for your silence? To be loved for how obedient you are? To be celebrated for never fighting back? People admire me, but not only because of who I am. But they admire me because I'm convenient, because I'm safe, because I don't make noise. But silence is not the same face anymore. Obedience is not the same as love. If being a good woman means surrendering everything I am, then maybe I don't want to be good anymore. Maybe the real Maria Clara is not weak. Maybe the real me is tired of everything. And maybe one day, girls like me won't have to choose between being loved and being free.